Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. Actually, this message is a little later because we actually did our grocery shopping today, not tomorrow, because tomorrow is the Sikh parade and it basically runs over by Bel Air, and they actually say, and I believe it, that our population will double between now and tomorrow morning / afternoon. Actually, Channel 3 in Sacramento said 200,000 people will attend this parade. So we stay indoors and we do our shopping the day before. All right. It's a great parade. Don't get me wrong. I've been there. All right. Last night, I prepared the fastest cooking meal that I do. And that is my chili mac. Good as always. Yum, yum, yum. Tonight, I'm not cooking. I'm taking the night off from cooking. Robin's taking me out to dinner. Yeah, we're going to go see an old friend. Like I said, I did our grocery shopping this morning. There were a couple people that were just like totally clueless. I mean, like they had never been in a grocery store before. And yes, they were guys. It was funny. I actually had to help one of those gentlemen. And another reason why this message is later is because I drove over to Marysville and went to the local spicery and picked up some goodies. Let me show you what I got. All right. These are their what they call their 50 count bag, their 50 bags. So I got some rosemary, some dill, white peppercorns. They didn't have the bag, but this is their parsley. And they had this little basket that had some clearance items. So I picked up some brown mustard seed and some caraway seed. So yeah, it's always a good time going over to the local spicery. It always smells good in there. They don't just have herbs and spices. People keep reminding me that they have salts. They have wonderful teas, from what I'm being told. And one of Robin's, she wants me to get her one of these times coming up, is I guess they have really good hot cocoa. Yeah. So yeah. Right there in Marysville, California. Or jump online. You can order all that stuff, all their goodies, online. And the pricing is very, very reasonable. Yeah. Fresh. If not all of it, is organic and yada, yada, yada. So, yeah, big shout out, local spicery. Love them. So, on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.